Hi everyone, good morning to you, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So I am here this morning just to present to you few things because I just woke up this morning. I scanned through, social media. I noticed that Lasuba made a program last night, and in that program, she centered her conversation on what Kenana played. And I said, okay, let me go through that and know what it's all about. I wasn't available to watch Kenena live program. So going through that, I said, okay, let me scan through the program of Kenena. Then I noticed that Kenena actually bashed her with the evidence, putting videos of PM, where PM was calling her, where PM was actually, warning her that she's the kind of, you need to be careful and what calling her saboteurs and all that. Similar thing that I discussed in my platform yesterday. Okay, similar thing. But Kenena presented that video, and that video hurt her so much. Her anger is that video. So I said, okay, let me react on it. Okay. And I would like to present it this way. Just give me your ear. Let's quickly scan through that video. Then from there we can now move forward. Because I have something to say about the whole thing. Now let's hear what she said.
This program because of let me address this case because since I'm about to this video, but I will analyze it in a way. Only I want to say I see my just because of this thing, I'm going to call my attention because of what I told you. Go to whatever, go to an hour, 24 hours. Chineke yana abona mo siare 24 hours. Go to whatever now. All the good namuoko or rota inside the cabinet. I fight the evil ones. All that in non-metal infidina. Obato piano hebon today. Obato piano hebon today. I will blame myself. I will see myself as a problem.
All right, hold it there. So this is the reason why she started dancing when PM was sentenced 6 years. She started dancing, jumping up and down. I made a video about it. I talked about it. That this is even in that her live program, people were asking her, Ada, what is going on? Are you not aware that this is a sad day? Are you not aware that Biafrans are not happy that PM has been sentenced? She said what? That she had been vindicated. Meaning that all this while that PM is here, her number one prayer is that PM should go in and be in prison so that she cannot be vindicated. Common sense should let you know this, because when somebody want to prove that, okay, I am right, you are wrong, the person number one prayer should, is always, I have to do this. I wish that this thing will happen so that you will not see that I have been right all along. That's exactly what she did. She's denying it though, but that's what her action actually meant. I want you to listen to her reaction when PM was sentenced. All right, welcome back. So we are back again on new video reaction. Lazuba. What you are hearing now is my voice in that my first video when she made this broadcast, because that very day that PM was sentenced, I came out and began to share this her video, and I reacted on the video, and the video went viral. I'm not gonna lie to you. Thousands of people, have watched the video. But I'm bringing it back to you just for you to know that see the connection with what is going on, the attack that Muslim Namani is receiving. When you listen to her line of argument, the reason why she's doing what she's doing, praying that Obato Bill will be sentenced and be jailed, that is exactly what the US are actually doing on Muslim Namani as we speak. And they will be the first to come out and raise false alarm for you to bypass them and start looking for who is actually raising the dust. They are the one raising the dust. If I need to say that now, the butcher now offer importance of joy or they get celebrated that PM has been jailed. So I know many of you have seen this video, but this is her first video. When the news broke out, I was waiting to see if she will, react on that. She waited and waited and waited until CS started her program because I just checked. I said, okay, let me today. I'm gonna key in to know what this woman will say, what she will do. Why? Because we all know her contribution to all this mess. All right. And what is that her contribution? She told you she started with the USB government. She marched on Nigerian flag in Finland. Biafra has been declared with happiness and everything. She followed USB government, which is the right thing to do though. She came out, started demanding some things from USB government, like she wants Solomon Okocha to be dethroned and taxed Sabotua and make her maybe Minister of Defense and Lasuba one of all people. When she did not get that one, she started talking about being being in charge of logistics of different liberation army. She couldn't get that one. She wanted to join DPM to Trump inauguration. She couldn't get that one, and everything went sour. She started attacking, antagonizing everything. Her first, attack happened publicly when USB government voted for self-defense. Remember, she voted no publicly, countered it that you should not. How can you get? Why would you allow our people to be the ones defending themselves? We have the Umajana. She sneaked back to Umajana, our angel, sorry, and that's what she called it. She called them our angel. She called it angel sometimes. So that angel, she went to them and told them that the money that you guys are receiving is quite poor. That she's an answer, that she know how much that Biafrans are contributing to keep them going. I don't want to say much here. Watch the video. She did that. Listen. Even though she's pretending to that she don't know what she have done or what she's doing, but you'll be talking to children, not me. So because I know that everything that she's doing is something else. Now she knows it. She's here dancing, okay, dancing. That is her first reaction. Okay. So this is her first reaction. Keep. This is the reason why I told you that her number one prayer had been that PM should be captured and detained or arrested or persecuted, to prove that thing she claimed is true. Then how can you not exonerate this woman? How can you not link up to what happened to PM to her? How can you not do that? Do you know the grievances, the animosity that she had been nursing in her mind all this while, believing that one day will be one day. PM will see that which I have warned him for. PM is where PM is today, not because of her warning, but it could be her contribution. Because no, if you're not better rule like this, can do not capitalize on where Bamba did. And we all know what that means. Then until some people started asking her, why are you dancing? That everybody is angry. Today is a sad day and all that. And she said this.
Say, nobody rejoicing, only you. You see, all because no nana understand.
This is what somebody asked her on her comment section on a live broadcast. She now said this.
In this world, you want to Chineke de lo dekie, o nwere mbosi ngwara ya ụnụ ebe a. Okwu ọnwụ na Chukwu kwuru okwu bie, o nwere mbosi ngwara ya ụnụ ebe a. Mmadụ adịghị m uru na o nwere ya na-akpọ uru na ilie m uru nke a bịarukwukwa m uru nke ọzọ dị mkpọsị. Ọnwụ na ụnụ nwa ụmụ aja na-ege ntị si nso ụwa. Ụnụ kwesịrị ịma na ife amelelu ya eme.
N'unu kwesịrị ịma na ife amenu ga-eme. I told you, She did not just say it, I don't believe that. She walked the walk as well. I don't believe that you just talk. How about you telling their friends how you also walk the walk? You did not just talk and fold hands. You participated, you acted to get it, to make sure that it happened the way you predicted.
Unu ya mani ife amelenu yeme. Unu kwesịrị ịma kama na amalọ nke unu si aghọta na na-akọwa ọnwụ dat na unu feel that na ọbata obi ya apụta ma dat na unu amaghị ife first that guy unu amaghị idea.
Here, that means she knows what PM, the secret plans against PM. You don't know, but I do. I know. Making her as an insider of all the plans to surround PM or to capture PM or to detain him. You don't know, but I know. You don't know the plan that he faces. You don't know the attack that's coming to his ways and all that. Making Lasuba, proving that she knows. She's part of the plan. But you watching, you listening, you may not know. That's what she's trying to tell you. But I do know.
Mgbe nna agwa ụnụ na ndị a niile wụ Deceptive, nna anyị makwa that na o nwere ife wụ that na wụ group of people na-eme ihe inwe nsogbu, the whole group ahụ agbakọta jikọ aka ọnụ wee fight for you.
Now, judging by what she said, meaning that PM, she informed PM this in ahead of time, and PM finally have been captured. If truly you are sure that those people, those her cabinet and those his cabinet and everything is part of the problem, why did you go to Finland with them? You went to Finland with them. So meaning that you falling back and talking now, first thing, you already know that they are bad. In fact, they are the one that put PM where PM is. According to you, why did you go to Finland with them? If truly you know this, why raising an alarm now? False alarm, of course. Why are you raising this false alarm now? You raise it because of your personal interest, like I've mentioned. One, you want to be Minister of Defense, and you failed. You want to be in charge of logistics, you failed. You want to go to America with DPM to be there in Trump's inauguration, and you failed. These are part of your grievances. Next thing, your next line of action is to penetrate into BLA. That PM you claim that you loved, warned everybody not to go there. You must not be part of it. Example, to prove to you that I know what I'm talking about, I'm going to play you this video. We are coming back. Listen.
If I see that DOS, I see that DOS, but regret. And I can never regret it tomorrow. Even my own die and always setting my on all of them. Zuike, hapu zere Chineke ibe niile, hapu zere Chineke ụmụ Biafra n'aka, ya were zie ha ma ife soro ha. Ọnwụ na mmasị Chineke na ya atagide afọ nwụọ Biafra agwụ, nsogbu adịrọ. Mana Simon, ekwene ka osuso na-esogbu wuri ife ifere dịrị m nwa. Ọ wụrụ ihe mgbawa obi because of people ịsọrịndala onwe gị with it. You have to, if you're on your program, see, madam, if you need the soil of because you ain't just going to drag on me as if you need the soil of the program. Only for this woman, Simon, you know your name, Simon, you know the truth now. You need to come back. Go on, go to if you and I don't supplies. After all these things, the protect man for this woman. Still not convinced Gidegu. Everything. He will put away for half of that to Papa feet, Madam Ifi. Kick Madam Ifi, Simon Ekpa. This need 100% happy. Now your program, last program email, Simon asked. And now I email a mistake. Simon, and that door I'm massive. No one potassium na program I Bosia. Neither happy. Simon, I see it happy. Inside you, in a regret because you know the truth. Inside you, in a regret because you know the truth. Why? Simon, you have to go back to your God, though. Go back to that God before Habakutagazu. Simon. Go back to your God. Talk to them before your God will turn back against you. Ouna Chineke Chiku Chiga turn all back. Simon, imagine no one's easy. Now, they are about to leave you. Your God, they are about to leave you. And you only take.
Now, this is why he's such a den. What this woman do is that once you are done, once you do not allow her to be part and parcel of your cabinet or your group or your to be very close to you, she will start by telling you that you see people around you, they are criminals, they are saboteurs, so that you can now bring her closer to you. That is her tactics. She did not start it today. She did not start it with DPM. This is when she at this point when she made the video, she was very, 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 very ready. And the hater of PM, she made this video with all disrespectful attitude, her words, everything. You can see how she's talking to PM. Then this Madam Ifi is called is Ifyo Ubiko. Ifyo Ubiko. And one of the crime of Ifyo Ubiko then is to contact men on ground, to contact ESN commanders then. That was her job. That's one of her crime, Ifyo Ubiko then. And this woman happened to be a very good friend of Ifyo Ubiko. PM bypassed her and formed Biafran Liberation Army. And that Biafran Liberation Army is the reason why Lasuba started being humble and respectful to PM after seeing BLA. Are you getting me now? That is one of the reasons why she started trying to show, a kind of respect a little bit to PM. But the hidden anger still there. Since that time she made the video until now that PM is even in prison. Now that PM is in prison, mention one order that PM that she claimed to have been visiting all this while. Mention one thing that PM told her to obey, that she has obeyed. Nothing. This is her line of action. She always wants to prove that she can spy you, she can record you, because Achalugo that she's in contact with now, the first call that she placed to Achalugo, she must have recorded it. That is what she do. That's who she is. Listen.
Simon, Ibo Melado Ma. Ona u Buhari men kado Mayasu Buhari like go Melado Ma. Now, but don't know I need it. Oh, we been gonna show but Melado Ma. I may manifestation. Boya, which I see on enough Mabana pushing Donald Trump. Which I ever water. Simon. Ma Ogo, every water. Blue Mama go put up area. Oh, my right. Yes. Because he none of the Koni CI. He a chai of my each high of Mama Vogi. Eba. I don't know, surprise.
Now, she said it. None of the Koni CI. What would you of my Vogi? Her job be for it. And this her phone that she raised here is when she spy you, keep your information, pretending to be loyal to you, gathering your information to attack you and to expose you anytime. Like I said, she's using the phone that she raised. That is her arsenal. She used this to assault you, to attack you, to do all manner of nonsensical things in name of she's fighting for freedom. Okay? The same Ifyo Ubiko that she was here attacking PM for, she refused to follow Ifyo Ubiko and go. She turned around and began to bash on Ifyo Ubiko, pretending just to amend her way, like, oh, I don't stand any evil. No. that animosity, that anger that she has on PM are still intact. Now, let's go back to the program of her program last night, so you understand what I'm talking about.
Me.
Now, listen. I'm gonna bring it up. Okay, this is the video, right? Let's continue from where we stopped.
I fight the cabinet. When I go about the cabinet, because some of what is coming from Batobia and all Batobia Africa. Who they want to destroy Yam? I don't know where free step. Ever Batobia now one because not only please. The Jungos are Friday no get it. Now all that creep.
Actually, please, they are criminal, right? They are meaning PM and cabinet are criminals. Listen.
Later on, after God
that is the reason why she started dancing, like I told you. Again, just I want you to don't watch the video with sentiment. Calm down, allow your sense of reason to be at work so that you'll be able to understand everything she said here.
Can you answer me? Where is Zabatobia today? The fight inside the cabinet. May I call attention on Batobia? Be very careful. Some of your cabinet members are criminals, they are saboteurs. They will put you inside the trouble. Be careful about for these people. Kelena. Now, after can want to talk about Batobia. Now you are because they Ekpa. Batobia will please the criminal terrorist cabinet, some cabinet members, yeah.
Are you getting it now? Some criminals cabinet members, yeah. You cannot have a criminal cabinet members without you being a criminal. The same woman, remember her video with Obiesa, where she said that Obatobe have been labeled, have been settled because of terrorism. Therefore, Ngozi Rabeze should also be arrested. That she's also because Ngozi Rabeze, bo second in command of Obatobe be terrorist. That video, if you don't see through that video, then you yourself is a criminal. If that video does not make sense to you, to tell you who Lasuba is officially who Lasuba is, you have proven to every sensible human being that you yourself is also a very big problem, because a woman who told you that Finland have sentenced Obatobe for terrorism. Ya no be in the queer not be an actually much and so the platform ya. Now Zin goes on a next. She's the okay, she also be arrested. Not care about that, who his finance minister. That is not a way to respond to Finland, to tell them, oh, this your judgment is wrong. No. What that statement means is that you have accepted that the judgment that Finland are 100% right. For what? For labeling Obatobe PM Ekpa as Oyobonigwe. And you are reminding them they should also go after Ngozi Rabeze and Ogenkere. Tomorrow she will tell you that she wants them. I want them. Because when she was talking about if you Obigo, that video that she raised her phone and said, Donald Trump. Now people call Donald Trump and all that nonsense. That is no good there. It's just to remind you, she's not for anything freedom. She's not for anything meaningful. Her job is to make sure that I am right all this while. I have been proven right. That time she was pretending to be a spiritualist still. She was pretending like she always pretends. I'm not saying she's not, but my force on any believe. There's nothing she's doing. She cannot even see her nose. She can't see through her nose. She can't even see her foot. or can she even, introduce herself properly? She don't even know herself.
Okay, killing. That told the Nasania Parawa. Now I tell it because I warned him. I'm proud of my life today. There was even in the that would not make it. If I don't put out there, not make it go see me.
That she's proud of whatever she have done. Do you know what that means? She's proud of everything. Why is she proud? She's proud because she had been vindicated, according to her. Because she did not only make that statement, she also walked the walk. Are you still looking for who contributed one or two things in what PM is going through? Lasuba is number one. If you doubt me, prove it.
This program again. Everyone I want and then I should stop. The cabinet here. What they say here, the cabinet here. Where is those cabinets?
When they say there, they say cabinet here. What again do you want to hear? Again.
Can you come and tell me the cabinet will be over to be defending? Where they can ever find out today? Since over to be a problem, can even those criminal cabinets make barrier? Can even make barrier? The cabinet for a protest, for a lawyer, for the visit here, visit. Now we say no one go. Since that Robert Obienga, from that criminal cabinet, who was the first person?
And pure lie. Pure. Oh yeah. Ima. And now this woman, you will not understand. Lasuba the Candiana support of Fulani. You not support she give you understand nothing else, understand them. You are just like them. You don't know the package that comes with that. Her own bintisa. Imi chimpasna. Intisa, nothing more. Bulisi duku isu otu. Bule wena ba na koyo no ya. I want you also to connect it with what DOS are currently doing. If you listen to some of the things that DOS are doing now, you can connect it with what this man is saying. But before I bring to you that video of DOS yapping nonsense, the current DOS or DOS fallback DOS, because these guys, just like Lasuba, confuse people. Here. I'm gonna bring it after this. Just a moment. I will bring it after this. Just a moment. Let the adverts just go before we can move forward. I want the advert to finish first. Just bear with me. All right. So there's a video of DOS members that has something to do with what Lasuba is doing. But now listen. Just a moment.
Like a mama hold you back, and I'm there with thousands. But I'm even more at that cabinet. I can in the morning with a video. Go to who they get a monte. A bank today, I am. You see, bringing out to this video doesn't make sense.
It makes a whole lot of sense. And you are lucky that I don't have the video. Please, anybody that have the video should send it to me on WhatsApp. This woman fell sick about the video, and you need to play it more and more for her to know, to see her own stupidity. To see her stupidity, that video, in fact, Kenena did very well by playing that video because she don't like it, and there's so many reasons that are attached to that.
Bringing out this video doesn't make sense because all makes sense that now that not about his cabinet. A matter about Obiano Hebron today. I am a CS.
So in her own interpretation, she won Obatobe. She did not only won Obatobe, she win the case. She have won the argument. She have actually proved that she's right and Obatobe is wrong. That is what she's celebrating for. And that is her agenda. That has been her motive all this while. So what else do you want to know from the woman that has this kind of mindset. Now, I told you about DOS and their own attack on mass American, that is actually similar to what Lasuba is doing.
IPOB. If you are the founder, say yes. You are watching. You are not the founder. The founder of IPOB, you gather with them and they say, although you grow up together, you school together, and the man is learning more than you, you are aware of what I'm saying. But when you're now come at this smart. He can have this smart. Man, I can ask again. I never tell you before. Now.
This is when
to describe you
when apprentice, begin to act or feel like he knows more than his master. This is what you receive. The same thing with Lasuba, a woman that don't even know, cannot even build a very happy family, let alone her own WhatsApp group that she called what's the name of this group? That's what's the name of that her group in WhatsApp group where she called they were actually in Finland, you remember the masquerade or the music that they displayed some time ago in Finland convention, that what do they call that that her group? I forgot that name. No. That's the name of her group. She could not even maintain peace in her own WhatsApp group. She scattered it. Is it the woman that will not bring or contribute anything positive for Biafran freedom? It's not possible.
a funny man, Cable.
In Anya.
And then the first people know. Owazuduke continue to whip. This is snatch radio Biafra. Even group don't want to radio Biafra. Bongi Wabu Ghana Boko Kombe 1966 to 1970. Bongi Wabu Kombe radio Biafra during the war.
Now, I'm not gonna play this useless guy again because why I have to bring it here for you to see the connection, the connectivity between this DOS and Lasuba. They are literally the same. They are actually the same. If you know, you know. So Lasuba, don't celebrate. People actually know what you are doing and they know how foolish you are. Only people who may be foolish or more foolish than you, which I doubt. Is there anybody that will be more foolish than you? I doubt. But only people like that, people as such. It doesn't matter their qualification. It doesn't matter if they're doctorate degree holder. People can have all these certificates, academic certificate and everything, and still be foolish. So I'm not saying that to you alone, but to people who think like you do, to understand that PM is PM and you can never be, smarter. You can never be wiser than the hands that make you. Imambun na goes on mota dawa as what dawa even. Imambun na goes on moti dobara as work even. Only foolish people do that. No, what I can marry if you know, you know. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you and take care of yourself. Tell me what you think about what we discussed so far. Good morning.